Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Octa trading app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Octa Trading app. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Octa Trading app and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Updating this application is very important in order to get smoother performance and access the new features. So in order to update the app, what you have to do is simply tap on the update option that you'll be able to see in this interface. Since my application is already updated, instead of update option, I'm being able to see the option for open. If you also see the option for open, that means your application does not need to be updated. You're already using the latest version of the application. But if you see the update options, simply tap on it, wait for a while, and your application will be updated. So that is how you update Octa Trading app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.